Today, you will learn how to put a watermark over a table in Word. First, place your cursor anywhere inside or near the table. Then, click the Insert tab and select WordArt. Choose any WordArt style you like. Then replace the sample text with your watermark, such as Draft, Confidential, or any text you want. Click outside the WordArt, then simply drag it and drop it over your table and position it exactly where you want it. You can resize it or rotate it if needed until it looks perfect. Next, with the WordArt selected, open the Shape Format tab. Click the small arrow next to Send Backward and choose Send Behind Text so the table text appears on top of the watermark. If you want to edit the watermark later, you won't be able to click it directly because it's behind the table. Instead, go to the Home tab, click Select, then choose Selection Pane. In the Selection pane, click the text box or WordArt object to select it, and then you can move it, resize it, change the text, or format it however you like. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.